thinking what I want to do in this game. Do not ask why my camera's like that, but we have something. Sorry, my voice is kind of sick. My voice sounds sick. Sounds sick because I actually am. No, my car! But I actually been thinking about something. I'm going to become some policeman. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, like what are the laws. I'm gonna show you what are the laws when someone tries to get through. So I'm driving around the city, looking for one, and if someone leaves their car, actually I'm just gonna leave it. If someone leaves their car, I'm going to confiscate it. This guy, he's obeying the rules. Very good. Oh, now you don't want to obey the rules, huh? You don't want to obey the rules now. You get. Either way, never mind. Oh, what's that? Hey, why are you leaving your car for like a few seconds? Stop it! Good. You're a police car. Let me look for that. Okay, there actually is a police car. Never mind. Instead, I'm just gonna use this. Is that an abandoned car I see? Is that an abandoned car? Is that an abandoned car I see? How are you still alive? It's not fair. That's not fair. Not fair. Either way, guys, I'm gonna go destroy them. Actually, this time, I'm gonna become the guy. You're not sneaking up, bro. You're not trying. I'm onto you, bro. Now, I'm onto you now. For that. Oh my gosh, this guy is actually destructible. I mean, no. This guy has murdering. Why? How did that happen? Was that McDonald's? Okay. I'm going to that devil. Like all other YouTubers, make sure they get and the like button. So I just have videos and yeah, I think that's all. So yeah, that's all for my squad. That's what you get, bro. That's what you get. I'm gonna get ran over if you try. No! Oh, stop it! You're trying hard, man. You can't defeat the man who didn't have telekinesis. You cannot defeat him. No! Oh gosh, I was oh! You actually can defeat telekinesis, but I'm way more stronger than you. I actually understand your moves now. I can now do anything. I can even color my whatever. Okay, he actually found me. No. Think that it was actually me? No. It was actually him. Okay. You're not slick enough, buddy. I don't care now. You're what? Try to come over here, and you're dead. Thank you. Oh, you're trying to destroy my car now, huh? How about I destroy you instead? How did he do that? What? Did I just die of a heart attack, or did I just die because of a heart attack, or did I just die because of the radiation, or did I just die because of blood loss? Get out of here, though. I'm burning your car because of that. See? You. I don't. I don't know. Is someone here? No, not here. You can just carry, but I don't know what I can't do it. No! Did he just get mad? Can it work? No? Yep, it can work. It can work. No, I think it can. Good as new. Alright. I have to drive in the car. Right then. Follow this line. I'm confiscating your day. Do something, and you're dead. Come on, man. Come on, stop. Stop it. Come on, let me go for it. I'm coming for you. I'm going to go to that. Whatever it's called. What's it called? The wagon, yeah. Get over here. No! What? Man, why did he do that? Did he tell him? Oh, someone's here. And who is it? There, the fire. Oh. Take the fire. Anyway, how about I take this vehicle instead? No, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. I'm going. Your vehicle. Stop! Stop trying to run me. Run me over. Like that? What the? Did I just? Hey, stop it! That's so bad. Why are you like this? Where's your legs? I'm sorry for what I did, but yeah. Stop it, please, please. Stop. Dead. Hey, stop! You're dead. Over there. Oh, I have an yet. No, wait. Okay, starting to setting a trap. Never mind, he died. No, you're not slick. You're not slick enough, bro. Where you going, bro? I just saw you. You're probably not in the PvP zone. You're like in the ramp, the plane. I have a better place. Or maybe. Oh, yes! Okay. See, Narmaz. I'm gonna pull you over. Anyways, when I was on what? Wait, Nitro. No! No! My car! My car! Did I just? Yeah, my voice actually sounds. It's actually. What was that? Why though? I didn't know that I could. I'm just going to use it again. What? Dude, I just use it for no reason. Yes! Yeah! Let's go! Okay, okay! Push! Come on, please! He really wants to die, bro. This guy really wants to die. He asked for it. I'm not. Where's this guy? I'm looking for him. I'm looking for revenge. He's probably in the city, that's good. Yes! Yes! Come over here, seen our masks. Never mind, I can just confiscate. Don't worry. I got your... No! I'm following you, bro. I'm following you. Oh my gosh! Did that guy just... The guy that tried to always kill me? Yeah, he's trying. He's trying to. He's trying to. Why did he do that? How did he... Okay then. He asked for it then. Okay, finally. What? Wait, what? Just me where this guy is. Ah! No! Yeah! What was that? What was that? I think I... Oh, he just came out of nowhere. Wait, he actually came from there, but he just came in, swooped in, and then just... It was like... Or something like that. What was that? Target? Finally. You're coming with me, bro. No crying. Finally, a worthy opponent. Here we go, bro. Let's go. No. That guy just... It's his fault. Who's that guy, bro? Over here. You don't deserve it. Finally. Yeah. My God, finally. Finally, I got revenge. fire. It's time. Back to bye-bye. Did I just run him over? I'm sorry for that, man. I'm sorry. For that, I have to make up, alright? I'm gonna say sorry. I'm sorry. For that, I'm gonna send you in a bomb. Hey, stop! You are not allowed. No, he's back for more. He's back for more with his new. Holy, he's getting back. Finally, man, some worthy opponent. But that guy's like. Still my. No, you cannot do that. I killed it before, and I'll kill. Never mind. He's on fire. Oh my God, help him! He's on fire. Where's that guy going? He's there still. No. Like, no! Oh, good! No! Juice? Anyways. Nah, Verbo. No, you're not doing that. You're not taking it. I'm declining it. Did I just do that? Oh gosh, it's coming. I have to help them. With my super epic power. Telekinesis. Time for another fight. Time for my ultra power. Yeah, we only have like 3 people in the server. And I'm the first one. Might be the end of this video, but I still want to do more trolling. And the Kagura Bachi Battlegrounds thing, I'm gonna do a second part on it, but I'm gonna play it on my PC.